seeds, seeds everywhere. Honestly, I just don't think I'm ever gonna have a clean house again. Now we've got the butterflies pollinating. These are the new tomatillos that I got from Sylvia yesterday. There was bumblebees on them earlier. And now the beautiful swallowtails are in here, helping out. So fun. Gosh, everything is loving these tomatillos. I got a bumblebee on one. Okay, I think the hoop house is finally planted. Everything that's going to fit in here is in here. So we've got all of our tomatoes running up the two sides. We've got 4 tomatillos, thank you Sylvia, at the end. More tomatoes running down that side. I've just been putting some stakes in, but they will all be tied up. As you can see here, we've got these ones. They're a little more mature. They're running up, and all of our cucumbers running down the center. And then the last addition today went in, and that is this 10-gallon, and we've got some Hope melons, which are locally developed by Farmer Andrew, going in here. So we'll have a couple of those. I've planted 6. We'll pick the best 2, maybe 3, probably just 2. And then we can run them along the path here, and I'll have to step over them, but I think that's going to be worth it. So we're all done, and all this has to do is stay maturing. So it's gonna, I'm sure it's gonna do fantastic. Things are really perking up now. It's another rainy day here. So I think I'll be working in the house, which could definitely use it. But look at the potatoes. They are really coming along. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 different varieties of potatoes. They're all coming up nicely. We've got lots of baby strawberries coming along. Very pleased with how these have transplanted. So we should have lots of beautiful strawberries to choose from here. If we can get some obviously nice weather. Look at the little baby in there. So sweet. And the roses are starting to come out. When did this happen? I've been so busy out back. Look, you guys. Oh, and it smells beautiful. I've been so busy doing the gardens out in the back that I didn't even realize. I see there's some dead stuff that needs to be pruned out. But look. Hundreds and hundreds of roses. I haven't had time to clean any of the weeds out of this. But it's just gorgeous. I wish you could smell it.